So the most important part to any job that you do in the house is to keep yourself fueled up with tea and biscuits, especially the ones that have white chocolate chips in them because they're so good. Last weekend we got to fit in the new door frames for the bedrooms and fit in one of the doors, which is there. So we've just been to Salco to get some architrave. We're going to do that later on, but today the job is to fit the bathroom door. So we've got the door and we've got the lock and handle. Oh, we haven't got the handle. I think we've decided to have the door open towards the radiator rather than to the toilet because it will give the illusion that we've still got the space in there. I think if you have it open into the toilet, we'll close off a lot of the space. Okay, so the first step to fit in the door will be to measure the space you've got on the door frame. 9 times out of 10, they'll never be perfectly level on both sides on the top. So you have to do some adjustments. So for example, this is a standard door frame. The door you'd need to get is a 76.2, which is what we've got. So the problem we've got on this one is it was fitted before the tiles were fitted, so the tiles have now raised the floor up a good 10-15 mil, so that measurement is going to have to be taken off the door. But because of the type of door we've got, they only let you take 6 millimeters off. So I'm going to show a little trick of what I've done before on how to take as much as you need off and then also keep the structure of the door. If you want to get some nice solid oak doors, then it won't be a problem. You can take off as much as you want. I'm going to go down now and cut it all to size. The frame obviously isn't fitted perfectly, so up here we've got 76.5, which is fine because the door's 76.2 to about 76. Gonna have to trim the door according to the frame. I've got it to fit kind of, so now the next step is going to be to fit the hinges. And I've got these big hefty hinges. They probably are a bit overkill, but I don't know, they feel a lot nicer than the cheaper ones that we've used in the bedroom. So also I should mention that ideally you should have a 3mm gap all the way around the door. I want this basically to be flush with the rest of the frame. I said I'll try and find a similar set. I've got about 6 of these different sizes. So if we can find a similar set, I'll put a link in the description. Okay, so the most important part to any job that you do in the house is to keep yourself fueled up with tea and biscuits. Okay, so this is the piece I cut out originally, what allows you to have the measurement from the bottom. So because I haven't took anything off it, all I need to do now is just put it back into the bottom. So effectively it's just moved up the door. So nothing actually has changed. Show you what it looks like. Pretty rubbish job to do, to be honest. I hate doing them. They're just shit. Miserable. Doesn't want to make me a cup of tea.
I do.
Ever.
Oh.
Even the live stream knows it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so my next job is to fit the architrave. Because of the big hinges, I've done a 10mm clearance gap around the frame. So all I've done is mark 10mm from each corner, and then I'll cut that at the 45-degree angle. So I'm going to do that for both sides, and then I'll do the top piece last. So now I've got both sides marked at the point. You can use one of these meter blocks instead. I'll try and link one of those below as well, if you're interested. Then I'm going to use the script fill and then nail it in. I'm going to get to fit in the handle now. I think I'm just going to put the camera up and then I'll do probably a voiceover on it just so I don't have to keep stopping and talking through. Kira's just gone to get some black handles from Wix. A black handle and a black lock as well. There is a supported block inside of the door, which I've measured to, and then it goes from here to here. Basically this section will be block of wood inside there, so you can fit the handle and it's more supported. But other than that, we've actually got a door on the bathroom for once, which is quite nice actually. The only thing is, it does feel like the space is a little bit smaller. But I mean, when people come round and stuff, and we haven't got a door on the bathroom, it's not ideal. So yeah, at least it needed to be done, and it is kind of done now. Yeah, which I'm happy about.